Good morning and namaskaram to the Honorable Vice President of India, Radhakrishna Garu, Chief Minister, Union Ministers, dignitaries on the dais, excellencies, and everyone gathered here today. It's a privilege for me to be here today to talk about a subject very close to my heart, Andhra Pradesh, where I hail from, and Apollo hospitals and our vision for the future. Andhra has always been a land of opportunity. Strategic location, robust infrastructure, progressive policies. This is a state on the move, and nowhere can you see vision and execution bundled together with such energy as our Chief Minister and his dynamic team. Today, Andhra Pradesh is not just competing, it's leading. From renewable energy, IT, manufacturing, healthcare, this state is attracting marquee investments and creating millions of jobs. It's a testament to its vision and agility. Healthcare in particular is a sector where Andhra Pradesh has made remarkable strides. The state's focus on improving healthcare indicators, expanding medical education, leveraging technology for rural outreach is commendable. Initiatives, sir, like the Dr. NTR Vaidya Seva and the telemedicine programs have brought quality care closer to communities. And as we look ahead, the demand for advanced healthcare infrastructure, specialized services is only going to grow. And this is where Apollo steps in. For over 4 decades, Apollo Hospital has been synonymous with world-class healthcare. Our mission has always been to make cutting-edge treatment accessible for every Indian. In this state, we're not just building hospitals, we're building a healthcare ecosystem. We have strengthened our presence in cities like Vizag, of course, Tirupati, Vijayawada, Chittoor, where we have hospitals, but we also have digital platforms. We're in districts, we're in villages of Andhra Pradesh. And this is a state where we have almost 21,000 people working in the Apollo family for this state. And these are all great jobs that are being created. Last night, and our telemedicine foundation during COVID and since the time that Chandrababu Naidu Garu started it, we've done over 20 million teleconsultations, and this will scale further and connect more people. We're also investing in next-gen healthcare solutions. This year, Apollo partnered with the University of Leicester to establish a Center for Digital Health Precision Medicine at Apollo University in Chittoor. And I must tell you again, our Chief Minister has actually pioneered the model of having more medical colleges. We were the first people that he offered the government medical infrastructure, the hospital, which we took over and built a medical college. This is really the vision for us when we say that India needs to create more jobs. And our Chief Minister's vision, last night he said, I want 250 million Indians to go abroad, not just the people that are there already, but we have to train this workforce. And these are the places. Healthcare provides great jobs, and Apollo hospitals will double down, sir. At least 10% of your vision, I think, will be trained from our state by us to be able to send to the world and for India. So our vision aligns so perfectly with Andhra Pradesh's ambition to become a $1 trillion investment destination. Together, we'll also create a healthcare model that's inclusive, technology-driven, future-ready, and a model that not just serves the people of this state, but the people of India and the people of the world. And we're committed to partnering with Andhra Pradesh. Sir, 4 years ago, I actually cycled 400 kilometers in this state when I was going from Hyderabad to Chennai. And I can't tell you, it's about the energy, the happiness of people that we continue to see every time we come back. My hometown in Chittoor or wherever that we come, Vizag, all the places in Andhra, it's about when you have a happy state, when you have a hopeful state. And I think this is the place where really this vision and execution come together. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your team. Thank you.
Please subscribe to Leo News for more videos.